you have shown a very good representation and very large number of media houses today. You have responded on our invitation within a short notice. So we are very grateful to you. We are also interested to invite you physically to visit our university, as it is very near to the Guwahati. From the Guwahati International Airport, it is only 32 kilometers. So we will also be inviting you so that you can visit physically and see the infrastructure. The university comprises of all the departments, including MBBS, Ayurveda, pharmacy, law, education, engineering, and all the statutory programs except agriculture. We have all the programs, all the basic sciences programs, and very strong profile of guiding the students and getting the success for the various competitive examination, and especially for the NET, National Eligibility Test for the lecturership, you are all knowing. So today we are here to announce the scholarship for the students of Tripura. We are announcing nearly 50 scholarships, and you will be happy to know that already we have collaborated with the government of Tripura for getting the students through the government departments for various skill-oriented programs. Besides that, we are from our side, we are going to announce the 50 scholarships. Out of 50 scholarships, we have 10 fellowships, which is completely free of cost. Except few programs where there is an intervention and the kind of requirement and compliance is required on behalf of the Government of India. Otherwise, all other programs, the students, if they are interested and if they have a very good marks, they are eligible to get the free sheet for the 10 seats. Remaining 15, we have half concession. For example, if it is 50,000 rupees, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Professor D.P. Sharma, my colleague Dr. Abhijit and Dr. Benjamin, Jolie Bejbarua and Dr. Ajmal, and all the media friends from both the electronic as well as the print media houses. You are all knowing, hopefully, that University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, a university located just next to Guwahati city, 3 kilometers from Khanapara of Guwahati, and nearly 80 kilometers from capital of Meghalaya, Shillong. And we are a very special institutions having the strong diversity, the inclusion of students from all over the northeastern states, and very strongly represented from the state of Tripura. University in the northeastern region, having A grade by the National Accreditation and Assessment Council, among 200 best universities of the country by NIRF, Government of India. The special feature of the university is that we have more number of girl students than the boys, more number of women's faculty, and students from all over the northeastern region, and some students from the other states also outside the northeast. We are here for a special purpose to reach out to the poor meritorious students who have a desire to join institutions like USTN, and that's why this is our fourth number of the states as we personally visited and taken the support from the media houses, because it is not possible to reach out to every institution, every students.